In this exciting tutorial, we'll show you how to transform ordinary Skittles into unforgettable party favors using the user-friendly design platform, Canva.com. Get ready to add a sweet touch to your celebrations and impress your guests. Hey guys, it's Latoya from Hanging with the Kiddos, Custom Party Favors. Today we have a really exciting and creative tutorial on how to make custom party favors, Skittles candy wrappers using Canva.com. Whether you're planning a birthday party, baby shower, or any special occasion, personalized candy wrappers are a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your event. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating and designing your own custom party favors. Skittles candy wrappers using the user-friendly design platform Canva. Let's get started. To print and assemble the candy wrappers, you'll need the following supplies: a free or pro Canva account, 2.17 ounces Skittles candy bags, a printer, photo paper, or your choice of copy paper, scissors or paper trimmer, double-sided tape or hot glue gun, and optional pinking zigzag scissors. To get started, head on over to canva.com and log into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. You can try Canva Pro free for 30 days when you use our referral link in the description box down below. Once you're logged in, click on Custom Size in the top left corner of the screen. Make sure it's in inches and you'll want your page size to be 8.5 by 11 inches and click the Create Design button. Once the blank canvas page opens, on the Editor side panel, click the Elements tab. Then scroll down to Lines and Shapes and select the square shape to add it to your page. Use the provided measurements to create your label. Now it's time to get creative and customize the label. You can upload your images and clip art by clicking on the Upload tab on the Editor side panel. You can also search Canva's library of thousands of high-quality images and clip art. You can use Google to search for the Skittles logo if you want to add it to your design. Open your web browser and go to google.com. Click on the Images tab at the top of the Google search page to search specifically for images. In the search bar, type Skittles logo PNG. The PNG image will usually have a transparent background. Press Enter or click the magnifying glass icon to perform the search. Once you've found the Skittles logo image, click on it to view a larger version. Copy the image by right-clicking on it and selecting Copy. To paste the copied image, go back to Canva and right-click on the page and select Paste. The Skittles logo should now be added to your design. You can resize, reposition, or make any other necessary adjustments as needed. If the image you found still has a background and you have Canva Pro, you can easily remove the background using Canva's background removal feature. After pasting the Skittles logo image onto your Canva design, select the image by clicking on it. In the top toolbar, you should see an option called Effects. Click on it to open the Effects panel. Within the Effects panel, you'll find the Background Remover tool. Click on it. Canva will then analyze the image and attempt to remove the background automatically. In most cases, it does a pretty good job, but you may need to make some manual adjustments if necessary. Use the provided controls to fine-tune the background removal. You can use the Keep and Remove brushes to paint over areas that need adjustment. If you're looking to save time and jump right into designing, we do have a customizable template available. It's the same label layout we just demonstrated how to create. However, the customizable template has already been pre-designed and is ready to edit for you, making creating your custom party favors that much easier. If you're interested in the ready-to-edit template, it's available for purchase on our website. As one of our Patreon members, you can download it for free. At this point in the video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the customizable template. I have already uploaded my images and saved them in a folder. So I'm just going to pull up that folder and start adding what I think I may want to use in my design to my page. Once you're satisfied with your design, save it and select your preferred format for download, such as PDF or PNG. For the best quality when printing, opt for the PDF print file format. Again, here are the supplies you're going to need to print and assemble the candy wrappers: 2.17 ounces, Skittles candy bags, a printer, photo paper, or your choice of copy paper, scissors or paper trimmer, double-sided tape or hot glue gun, and optional pinking zigzag scissors. We will be printing our labels on U-Inkit 36-pound glossy photo paper using an Epson 8550 EcoTank printer. As previously mentioned, it is recommended to select the PDF print format when downloading from Canva for the best quality print. Once the PDF file is open, adjust the printer settings according to the type of paper and printer you will be using. We have found that when printing on U-Inkit's glossy paper with the Epson 8550 EcoTank, selecting Photomat as the paper type and setting the print quality to normal produces the best results. Thank you so much for watching our tutorial on how to make custom party favors, Skittles candy wrappers using Canva.com. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and fellow creatives. If you're interested in the ready-to-edit template, it's available for purchase on our website. This pre-designed template will make the process of creating your custom party favors that much easier. As one of our Patreon members, you can download any of our templates and mock-ups for free. It's our way of saying thank you for your support. So be sure to check out our Patreon page for more details. All the links will be in the description box. You can also find links to all the supplies that were used for printing and assembling in the description box down below. If you have any suggestions for future video ideas, or if you have any questions about this tutorial, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. And see you next time. Bye.